Setting up a Facebook pixel involves several key steps to track and optimize your ad performance effectively. Here's a concise guide. Log in, sign into your Facebook account and go to the Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to Events Manager. Click on the menu in the top left corner, then select Events Manager. Select Pixels. In the Events Manager, click on Pixels under the Data Sources section. Create Pixel. Click the Add button to create a new pixel. Name your pixel and enter your website URL. Click Continue. Choose Installation Method. You can manually install the pixel code, use a partner integration, or use Google Tag Manager. Manually install pixel. Copy the pixel code provided by Facebook. Paste this code into the header of every page of your website, just before the closing head tag. Use the Pixel Helper. Install the Facebook Pixel Helper extension on your browser. Visit your website and check the extension to ensure the pixel is firing correctly. Set up events. Go back to the Events Manager and configure the events you want to track, such as page views, purchases, or sign-ups.